Alright, hello everyone. Back today with another build. This one's a Audi R8 V10 Plus. Really good looking car. I'll get it all unpackaged and parts separated out. Try to show y'all every step of the way. So, as you know me, it's time to get to work now. All right. All right. Got everything out of the box. So you check out all the parts. I love the color on this one. It's gonna be a good looking car. All right. Let the real work start now. Well, all right. Step number one's in the books. We're gonna start on step number 2. We'll see how that goes. We'll get some good pictures. Try to anyway of everything I'm doing. And we'll see how it turns out. All right. See you in a few. All right, I'm getting real close now. Might do a little work to the bottom of it. Get it looking pretty good. We'll see. I'll be back with some final pictures and we'll take it from there. Well, all right. Got her done now. Pretty good looking car. Love the color red on it. Real nice. Now, one thing left to do. Let me try to find it a parking spot up on my shelf. All right. Be right back. All right. I found the spot. I really like this one. It's just sitting up here with my other models I built. Hope you enjoyed this one. Had a lot of fun putting it together and making it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. All right. We'll see you on the next build. I got a few more coming up. Some of them's going to be pretty hard, so we'll see you the next time now. All right. Goodbye.